Don't ignore the warning signs. Health is not a joke. One moment can change everything. Take care of yourself and the people you love. If this message matters to you, like, share, subscribe.
Stay safe, stay strong. Good morning. Wake up, it's already morning.
I don't feel very well today.
What happened? Are you okay?
Just feeling weak. Maybe I didn't sleep properly, yeah.
Dad, are you sick?
I'll be okay.
What happened? Are you okay?
Just feeling weak. Maybe I didn't sleep properly. No, I'm fine. Don't worry.
What happened? Wake up! Please wake up! Can you hear me? His pulse is weakened.
I'm scared.
Honey, wake up, please. Open your eyes.
Mom, is he gonna be okay?
Yes, sweetie, he's going to be fine.
I hope so.
Wake up! Please wake up! Can you hear me? Open your eyes!
Mom, I'm scared.
It's okay, honey, and say. He's breathing, but very slowly. Call the ambulance right now! I don't know the number. The phone? Why? Hello? Please send an ambulance.
Stay calm. What happened?
He collapsed! He's not responding!
Is he breathing?
Very slow. Please hurry you. Please, don't leave us. You promised. Oh, I'm scared. I'm weird. It's going to be okay, sweetie.
I'm scared.
I know, I am too. What's that sound? Stay close to me.
Step back.
Please save him! Don't take him away!
We need space.
We're coming with him!
Give oxygen.
Stay with me. His pulse is dropping.
Stay calm. We're doing everything we can.
Mom, what's happening to Dad?
He's going to be okay.
He has to be Hen Hall.
Ma'am, keep talking to him. Sometimes they can hear you.
Can you hear him right here, me?
Emergency case. Move fast.
Doctor, please help him! We're on it, ma'am. Stay back. Wait outside! But doctor, please!
We'll update you. Stay here. Check his vitals.
Pulse is low!
Start oxygen support.
Pressure dropping!
Mom,
I'm here.
I'm scared.
He's strong. He's fighting.
I don't want anything to happen to him, but
Nothing will happen. I'm here.
will he come back home with us?
Yes, we will go home together. Please give him strength.
Mom, why do people get sick?
Sometimes we don't know why.
Are you the patient's family?
Yes, how is he?
Is Dad okay?
He is in critical condition.
What?
We are doing everything we can, Daniel.
Please save him.
We need some time to I'm sorry. The results are not good.
Mom, what did he say? He's very knocked. Mama, I feel tired.
Sleep here.
Will you stay awake?
Yes, I'll be right here.
Please, don't take him away.
I'm not crying, I'm just tired.
You didn't eat anything yet. I'm not hungry.
Dad always says you should eat on time.
Yes, he does. Mom, promise me
What?
when Dad wakes up, we'll go home together.
I promise you, and yes, we will.
You have to come back. We need you, please.
Yay!
Give him
what a
another
great
chance.
jump.
Come.
Ready for the frisbee?
Great catch.
Woo! Go
Please
team!
don't break that promise, you.
Ma'am, you should get some rest. I can't, not now. We'll inform you if anything changes. Thank you, Ka. Just a little longer, please.
Excuse me, he is stable now. You don't need to worry.
Is he really okay?
He had a mild heart attack. There were warning signs, but they were ignored.
Will Papa be fine?
Yes. We treated him in time. He is safe now.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
But listen carefully. He needs proper rest, no stress, healthy food, and regular checkups. Because next time, it could be serious,
Can we see him now?
but only for a few minutes.
Let's go see Daddy.
Is he okay?
He will be. He's waiting for us.
Okay, Mommy. I love you.
Where am I?
You're awake. Dad scared me.
What happened?
You collapsed. You scared us so much. I thought you wouldn't wake up, but
Hey, I'm not going anywhere.
don't do that again, please.
You promised you would take care of yourself.
I know. I'm sorry.
Don't do that again, please. Please, don't.
I promise.
Mom didn't sleep at all.
You didn't?
How could I?
Thank you for staying.
Always.
Now we can go home, right?
Yes, soon.
And we'll go to the park.
Really?
Yes, I remember my promise.
But first, you need rest.
I'm lucky to have you.
We're lucky too. We're together.
That's all that matters.
Everything will be okay.
It already is.
Everything was fine until one moment changed it all. Don't ignore what matters. Take care.
Before it's too late.
Stay aware.
Stay safe.